When you break, if you break the pattern, when you're finishing a parikrama, this is where you start to reduce the speed. That's the pattern you have to break. Increase the speed here. That's the way you'll break the pattern. So instead of dropping, increase it here. Increase it here. Increase. 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 ना पूरा जाना इसको इधर इधर. सो यहाँ से स्पीड बढ़ाओ, डाउन. पैर मिला, स्पीड बढ़ा, डाउन. Now in this, try doing this.
Oh no.
That's just again going to change the point of leverage. पैर यूज करना, सिर्फ हाथ मत यूज कर. पैर ओपन कर. यस. Now if you want to just play around with the whole thing in terms of the kind of impact you want, just start alternating it. So go 1, 2 same, change and change. Back to change again. And this part, no, this explosiveness is what you'll actually want, because when you're coming into that point where you've completely decelerated, then there is that hold, isometric, then again explosive, you switch. That is what you're actually exposing your body and your muscle to. So
These takedowns and holds will be unstoppable in jiu-jitsu. So alternate this with.
तू कहाँ जा रहा है बे? थोड़ा. Okay, take the inference of or reference of bowling. When a fast bowler, for example, has to bowl faster, he's going to use, like they say, put in a lot more back into this, right? Now with your swing, put in a little more back and core into this, so that swing, see, intensity just with my hand versus, right? Use the back and your glutes.
This is
Make your swing ground up. That's where you'll actually get the speed in your swing, and then that deceleration becomes all that more.
This is more of a mindset change of parikrama, because all these thousands of reps have happened with this range. Now for me to,
So it's not different. It's not different from what you've been doing. Okay? More than a mindset change, it's an addition. You're not changing something, you're adding. So don't look at it as a change, you're adding something.
yeah. So
सुन, जब नीचे ला रहा है ना, वहां मत जा, सेंटर कर उसको. Open up your feet when you're squatting so that the weight is centered.
Yeah, I think I'm getting it.
नीचे जाने दे, नीचे जाने दे. पैर open करना. So when you're starting, match your feet. As you're dropping whichever side, this is where you want to be. Right now when you're dropping, you're going here. वो मत कर. So you're starting here. This. Look dead straight if you want and be here. We'll add something here. ठीक है? अभी we'll do 2 of these first on each hand. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch again, drop, switch again, drop, switch again, change the leverage, switch again, change the leverage. ठीक है? Total 3 move.
What does an uppercut look like? Opposite से.
हाँ, इतना ऊपर से मत पकड़ो. So, let it come back. Hold it here and then push it up. Hold. Don't forget the movements. आगे next क्या है? Drop. Switch. Drop. Switch. Change leverage. अभी यही चीज 25 मिनट 30 मिनट टेक बीच बीच में टेक मिनट 1-2 मिनट का ब्रेक बैक बैक बैक. अभी हमने की 8 रेप. 8 कोई मेंटेन कर सकता है. 8 रेप कर 1 मिनट ब्रेक ले फिर 8 कर फिर और ये तीनों को जोड़ के 25 मिनट में शरीर की ऐसी ऐसी मसल्स से बातें होने लगेंगी जिन्हें हम पहचानते भी नहीं.